our generator come in. This is what we wound up getting.
I'm here. Hello, people. Long time no see.
Got the Champion.
Digital hybrid.
Inverter generator. 4,000. Well, 4,000 start. 3,500 running. And we're gonna open it up and see what all comes in here.
And are you gonna put it again? Oh yeah. Precise. Move, kitty. Fancy. I'll take that. Nice. Some more fancy packaging. We gotta take that out.
So what we're gonna try to do, we're gonna get this all
I'll grab this one, I'll grab this one.
gassed up, oiled up. We're gonna do a break-in period of 5 hours. That's what she did.
And that looks tiny.
Comes with a battery. When it's charged up pretty good, but you have to connect the cables in order for this dude to work.
You gotta take out a screw just to put it in.
What are you doing now?
The generator was fairly easy to assemble, but you might want to have an extra set of hands just to be able to make things easier for you. The wheels were very simple to put on. You just put the bolt through the tire and attach the clip to the back. Here, Jason is adding NW30 oil, but make sure not to overfill the oil or the gas, as the manual says it can cause major problems.
Alright, so we got the generator running. We're going to do the break-in period. It's 5 hours. I think it's at a quarter of a load. Is it a quarter of a load or half a load? I have to look and see. But so far what I've got this outside light on. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lights, 9 lights in here with 2 little fans running. And the refrigerator, and there's a small refrigerator on the outside. That's everything that's running. It's not a heavy load, but that should be close. Oh, and a heat lamp. The heat lamp by itself is 200 watts.
Get away from me.
I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole 5 hours tonight. I might run it some tonight, 2.5 hours, and another 2.5 hours tomorrow. But it's not that loud. Let you know how it goes. Okay, so we're gonna finish the break-in stage of our new generator. Last night we ran it for, I think it was 2 hours. We're gonna finish it off today, run it for 3 hours. I'm gonna put another load back on it and finish this off. And then we're gonna change the oil. Y'all bear with me, trying to hold the camera. I may have to wind up going back to the store and get some gas. I didn't put, but I don't know how much. I think it was a gallon and a half, 2 gallons yesterday. But we're gonna run this gas out and I'll go get some more. Let's see here. Green light flashing. Make sure my gas is on. Yeah. All right. So she should start up. Choke it. Came with the remote. We're gonna try it that way. We're gonna put the awning out and see if the generator ramps up. Let's see. Not really for the awning. Started this at 8:10. change this oil. Now to change the oil in here, here's a nut. See if you can see it. That one right there in the middle. You gotta pull that out and let the oil drain. Let's see what we can do here. Now we're gonna add oil back in it, and we'll be done. It takes about a half a quart. So, pour it in. It comes with this funnel. See where we at here. Well, that's basically all there is to it. We're now ready for a little boondocking. We got to put some water in the tanks, or in the holding tank in the camper. We got to pack our stuff. Quite a few things we need to do. But we'll see y'all on the trip. If you like our videos, please subscribe. Leave comments, questions, concerns, whatever. And that's it. See y'all later.